In this episode of Virgin Review, we are going to check out best electric skates under $100 on Amazon. We made this video by quality, price, and durability of the product. If you want to know more and buy one, please check the Amazon link on video description. Okay, let's start the video. Introducing Razor Turbojets Electric Heel Wheels. Hit new heights of fun with the all-new Turbojets electric motorized heel wheels. Simply start rolling. And these electric-powered heel wheels amp up the action with an 80-watt geared drive motor to provide a one-of-a-kind boost to any pair of sneakers. Remote-less, the Turbojets use an integrated, pressure-sensitive, power control system to help you ride comfortably at speeds up to 10 miles per hour or 16 km per hour. For up to 30 minutes of continuous use. Simply step into the heavy-duty polymer. Quick click frame and tighten the hook and loop strap. For a secure fit for sneakers, United States size youth 12 to adult 12. And European youth 42 through adult 45. Recommended for ages 9 and older and will support a rider up to 176 pounds. The buyer and rider of all Razor products are responsible for knowing and obeying all local, state and federal regulations regarding the riding and use of all Razor products. It's one of the coolest electric wheels for skating. You can choose it. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more and buy one, check the Amazon link on video description. I think you like the video. If you have any query, write it on comment section. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for watching more videos.